Right now, the sentiment score for space is sitting at minus 0.07. That's noteworthy when you consider that this is the lowest sentiment we've seen in the past few weeks, despite a stable momentum of 0. With 20 semantic clusters identified, this dip could indicate growing concerns around recent space missions or regulatory developments that aren't resonating well with the public. Our API returns comprehensive sentiment analysis, giving you insights into the emotional tone surrounding topics like space, based on real-time data. Imagine you're building a news aggregator or a trend analysis tool. This sentiment data can help you tailor your content or alert users about shifts in public opinion. For more details on how to integrate this into your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something insightful together.